Hey, it's Tech Freak. Did you know there's a Bluetooth exploit that can silently intercept everything you say during a phone call, and you'd never even know it was happening? I'm Tech Freak. I break down the security threats nobody's talking about so you don't get blindsided. Hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of this stuff. Today we're diving into WhisperPair, a Bluetooth exploit that turns your own earbuds against you.
Hang on, intercept my actual phone calls through my Bluetooth earbuds. How is that even possible?
So WhisperPair exploits a fundamental weakness in how Bluetooth devices pair with each other. You know when you first connect your earbuds to your phone, that little handshake they do? WhisperPair targets that exact moment. Think of it like this. Your phone and your earbuds are two friends who recognize each other by a secret handshake. WhisperPair creates a device that learns that handshake, then slides in between them. Your phone thinks it's talking to your earbuds. Your earbuds think they're talking to your phone, but everything's flowing through the attacker's device first.
So it's a man-in-the-middle attack, but for Bluetooth audio specifically.
Exactly. At the nasty part, it exploits the BLE audio codec negotiation phase. The attacker's device forces a downgrade to low security codec, which makes the audio stream easier to capture and decode in real time. You hear your call perfectly. The other person hears you perfectly, but a third party is recording everything.
That's terrifying, but realistically, who's actually at risk here? Someone will need to be right next to me, right?
Bluetooth range is typically about 30 feet, but with a directional antenna, an attacker can pull this off from over 100 feet away. Coffee shops, airports, co-working spaces, anywhere people take calls on Bluetooth earbuds. And here's what makes it worse. Security researchers demonstrated WhisperPair at DEF CON and successfully intercepted calls on 6 of the 8 most popular earbud brands tested. We're talking AirPods, Galaxy Buds, Sony, the stuff everyone uses.
6 out of 8. So the odds are my earbuds are on that list.
Probably, yeah. And it's not just phone calls. Any Bluetooth audio, voice memos, dictation, video calls on Zoom or Teams. If audio is traveling over Bluetooth, WhisperPair can grab it.
Okay, Tech. What do we actually do about this? I'm not giving up my earbuds.
You don't have to. Step 1. Keep your Bluetooth firmware updated, both your phone and your earbuds. Manufacturers are patching this, but only if you install the updates. Step 2. Turn off Bluetooth when you're not using it. I know, sounds obvious, but most people leave it on 24/7. If you're not actively on a call, toggle it off. Eliminates the attack surface completely. Step 3. Avoid taking sensitive calls on Bluetooth in public spaces. If you're discussing anything confidential, financial info, business strategy, medical stuff, use your phone speaker with the phone to your ear, or wait until you're somewhere private.
What about wired earbuds? Old school but effective.
100%. Wired earbuds completely bypass this exploit. No Bluetooth signal means nothing to intercept. Keep a pair in your bag for when it matters. Step 4. If you use voice-based tools for work, transcription, voice cloning, AI assistants, make sure the platform itself encrypts audio end-to-end. Speaking of which, if you're doing any kind of voice work, I use 11 Labs for AI voice and audio projects. Their platform handles audio processing securely in the cloud, so you're not streaming raw voice data over vulnerable local connections. Get started with 11 Labs free at the link below.
So here's what I want everyone watching to think about. How many calls have you already taken on Bluetooth in a coffee shop this week? And are you sure no one was listening?
That question should keep you up tonight. Drop a comment. Tell me what earbud brand you use and whether you've checked for firmware updates lately. I bet most of you haven't. Hit like, subscribe, and next video I'm breaking down how AI-generated voice clones are being used in real-time scam calls and how to tell if the person you're talking to is even real. Until next time, I'm Tech Freak. Smash that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe. New tech content every week.